Welcome back to the Shabby Rose. I am so glad that you are with me here today. Here is a set that I had just finished of fall manicure. It's not quite the conventional manicure, but I really enjoyed these colors and putting it together with these Madame Glam in Latern and Wern gels. So this is how I started out. I prepped my nails by buffing them, making sure that all the shinies are off so that the base coat would stick really well to where they can be reworn over and over and over again. I am doing press-ons because, for one thing, I love to reuse my nails. So much work is put into them, I like to do that. So they're cured, and then I picked out my colors. I didn't really want to go, I had done fall before, but I wanted some purples and blues and some greens and a bit of gray and more of a peachy color. So these are the ones that I picked, and they're some of my favorites. So after I had put a base coat on all of the nails, then I went for color. So these are, I love these ones. They're so creamy and easy to work with. So here we are going for color. I did not show every single step with all of these nails being colored, just giving the basic overview because it's very time consuming. With each layer you cure them. Each time you put on gel you have to cure them, and it does take time. So after the second coat, each nail got 2 coats, cured for 30 seconds, and then I was figuring out, well, which way did I want to go with the colors? How can I make it all look very cohesive? So this is the lineup of how I did it. And my left hand and right hand take different measurements of nails. So what I did, I have a gold ring on my left hand and I have a silver ring on my right hand. So how I can tell which nails go with which hand, I color code my nail stands with silver and gold. The stickers that I'm putting on the nails now are from Shein, I guess. They're so inexpensive but yet so beautiful. They are a bit thin, but yet they have a clear background, and they went on beautifully. I really enjoy doing stickers. I cannot paint a straight line. For what it's worth, I can't. So I'm still working on hand painting. I just can't do the detail that these stickers are. I'm not there yet. I wonder if I'll ever be there. But these stickers just added that just detail and made all the colors just look so much more uniform as the stickers gave that. So I wanted to have some purple in with the earth tones, and these stickers just had that perfect pop of purple. So it turned out nice. And I use the Shein app. The stickers on there are usually running from like $1 to $3. I've not seen anything over $3 really. And so I use 2 different types of stickers. One is these clear vinyl type stickers. Then the other one is more like an acrylic type bumpy 3D-ish type of sticker, just to make it all look really nice. So sometimes it is a bit of a trouble for me to get them on straight, and these ones liked to have a bit of a curl to them, as they didn't like to be rounded over the nail. So you have to press and stretch them a little bit so that you don't get a lot of wrinkles. I do not have a tool that was like a silicone tool that you can press on the nail. I have to get one of those that helps with your stickers, but it worked out pretty well. And just choosing the right ones. I mean, there's so many good ones. It was just like, what do I put on each nail? Choosing was the hardest part. And I sped it up so that it would not take so much of your time watching me put on stickers. But once I chose them, then putting them on wasn't too bad. You do want to put a clear coat over your stickers. I did a clear gel over the top, and that way the stickers stay. They will be permanent. If you do not put a clear coat over the top, they will peel off and they'll look pretty nasty. And I've done that. I've put a clear nail polish over these stickers, and it just did not do well. The nail polish came right off. The stickers were scratched. And so the gel top coat is key in doing this. You can do matte, you could do a sparkly type of top coat, but the gel makes it stick for a long time and it makes the nails reusable a whole lot more than putting on a clear nail polish top coat. So I am down to the last blue nail. Yay! That blue is so gorgeous. And that brown and blue, oh, so lovely. I like it so much. At first I was like, fall. Everything is coming out in fall right now. And it's beautiful. I love fall. Just the weather is perfect. And fall and spring are like my favorite times of the year. So here are the acrylic 3D nails stickers that I got also from Shein. I will link, they usually have a very long link to them, but in the description box I will link the one stickers that I used. But these are my favorite ones to use. As you can see in my other previous videos, I always seem to revert back to these 3D acrylic designs. And how this is done, I've tried playing with monomer to do some acrylic and I cannot handle the smell. If you have a recommendation for an odorless monomer, then I could play a little bit with acrylic, but I am nowhere near the type of expert that these stickers, make me look like. This is definitely cheating. But I love them. I like them so much. And I think they're like $2, $2.50 for like 2 sheets. So they are a little bit more, but you get a lot on one sheet and a lot of designs. So I did do a Shein haul like a little over a year ago, maybe less. And that's in my videos showing all the stickers that I had gotten. I went a little bit overboard, but it has given me months of uses doing these nails. So you can get a lot of different designs off of one sheet of these stickers. So it's just, I like the clear background because you can just place it on the nail. You can see how it will look before you put it on. That way there's no waste. They are delicate and they can rip. And that is like, my heart. If these stickers rip, it's like a heart attack. I hate having that happen. And one did try ripping on me here. But if you don't press them down hard, you can readjust them on the nail if you need to. They are slightly forgiving, more than the other ones that I'd put on. Those are very thin. And once you put them on the nail, if you try taking them off, they will rip. So these acrylic ones are a bit more forgiving than the thin floral ones that I had put on. So it's just choosing what design would look good with my crooked floral stickers I'd put on. It's hard to get things centered. So these acrylic ones really do help if you have center issues. They help fill in the gaps where you can see that things are a bit crooked. It looks like it's meant to be. And that's what we want. So here I am choosing what to choose, and it did turn out pretty well. So I like Thanksgiving. I decorate for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Those are like my two major holidays that I decorate for. Some of the others, my house is too small to have decorations everywhere. So I've had to choose two holidays to decorate for, and it's Thanksgiving and Christmas. And so those fall colors, harvest time, just Thanksgiving in general is just those are my colors. I love them. And I love the holidays. So, just trying to get everything to lay down and be smooth on there. These don't wrinkle as much as the thinner floral ones. They do lay down pretty nicely over a rounded nail. So that makes it simple. They don't have, it's not difficult at all to put these on. Sometimes my tweezers were more of a hindrance, and then my fingers are like, oh, the sticker's too small, so let's go back to the tweezers.
A few moments later.
So here are some gold little floral stickers that came all on one sheet. You do have to cut them in order to get the details off, but they just added a special type of reflective bling that really helped with just making everything look really formal and nice. I thought of doing some glitter or gems, but then I thought, no, these will be more than enough.
2,000 years later.
So here is the no wipe top gel coat from Madame Glam, one of my favorites to use. You don't have to wipe off the sticky layer, you just cure it and you're good to go. Awesome stuff. And so finished that with all of them, just one very thin coat, cured it for 30 seconds, and we are done. Here is the finished look. So nice. And now I am wearing them. So how I like to wear my press-on nails is with these two-sided nail adhesion stickers, and they make the press-ons stick without any damage to the nail bed when you take them off. And here I am wearing them. I am so excited to have them on my hands. Beautiful. So thank you for being with me today and watching this video, and we will see each other again. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.